afternoon. My name is Adrian Ryan Lingga Maslok. I study in class 2. I act as a Matabagandi. Puramateko, Puramatino, Puramatino. Thank you. My name is Ibrak Antiu Madur. I study in class 4. I act like a flower girl. Thank you.
My name teachers and my dear friends. My name is Elva Mary Lindo. I am 8 years old. I study in class 3A. Today I am presenting a newspaper. Newspaper gives a daily information of the world. We should read newspaper every day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Josephina Sopro. I act like Mother Mary. I came from heaven to show the way. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone present here, especially fathers, teachers, and to you, my old friends. My name is Flosi Songhyang. I read in class 8B. I act here like a Nepali actress. My favorite actress is Priyanka Karki. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lucky Ahmad. I study in class 7C. I am a wordsmith.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Stan. I am from Sopho. I study in class 9A and I act like Police Meghalaya. Thank you.
Kadang-kadang kapasuk tuhan yang dibahas belajar kerjaan, tak kerjaan tengah kadang ibu punya, dan tengah saat senang kedua osi, kuliah kelas 12, kan tentang aku buat kapal bau beli, kapal bau ada upami untuk bau beli in ulama bau umbe bantam.
Good afternoon everyone, respected fathers, sisters, teachers and our chief guests, and especially to you dearest parents. First I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jerry Imba. I study in class 11 and now I act like air hostess because I like to show them and my purpose also on that form that I will be on holidays. Thank you.
kadai balapun syai sukai nasyongas ka apo jai nasyongas man bi na out from the princess Cinderella